stay at Cabo because tomorrow is going to be a hurricane here. We are here at Cabo San Lucas. Here it is. Getting on a little boat. Hello. Hello, good morning. Morning, morning, morning. Alright, we're on the tender boat going to Cabo. We made it to Cabo San Lucas. The tender boat dropped us off right at the marina, and the view was already beautiful. Boats everywhere, the weather was perfect, and we were ready to start our excursion. We made it on land, and now we're heading over to our excursion meeting point. We made it on land, and now we're heading over to our excursion meeting point. Aqua Trio? We're here at the dock waiting to get to our excursion. There's a lot of fish down here just right by the dock. There's a school right there. There's a Sergeant Major's. There was a couple of puffers that just swam by. It was a short walk, but you could already feel the adventure starting. We were heading out to see El Arco and then some snorkeling over at Chileno Bay. Got an airboat. No shades.
So guys, if you need to use sunscreen, por favor, now is the time. That side, the front part is probably the funniest one. Yes, but also the bumpest. So guys, if you have any back pain or something, I recommend you like this area. It's not that bad, but if you have like recently surgeries or something.
Hello everyone.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Woo, here we go.
Ready?
Yes.
Here we have our captain, Aurelio, right there. Okay, por favor, one clap for Aurelio. Come on, guys. 3 days ago we saw some orcas, so probably if you have luck, yes, we want to see something around, okay? Also, guys, yes, you like orcas?
Hell yeah.
Everybody like orcas, right?
Hell yeah.
Okay, guys.
Alright, they're gonna take us to the arch pretty soon, and the tour guide says the water is super clear today and we might even see orcas. That's our ship right there. Right after we left the marina, we passed Pelican Rock, a popular snorkeling spot with tons of fish around the base. Just ahead was Lover's Beach, only accessible by boat. It's where the calm Sea of Cortez meets the rough Pacific, and it's one of the most photographed places in Cabo. On the other side, Divorce Beach. Same stretch of sand, but facing the Pacific. That's Neptune's Finger, a towering rock formation that looks like a giant hand raising out of the sea. And here it is, El Arco, Cabo's most famous landmark. It marks the very tip of Baja California, where the Sea of Cortez meets the Pacific. Got the arch right behind you. Once we left El Arco behind, we rounded the corner towards the Pacific Ocean, and instantly the water got rougher. It's like flipping a switch. Calm on one side, chaos on the other. We made our way around to see El Arco from the Pacific side. The waves were definitely rougher and the view felt more dramatic from this angle. And right next to it, Divorce Beach. After passing El Arco and Divorce Beach, we cruise along the coast towards Chileno Bay, our next stop for snorkeling. We spent about an hour and a half snorkeling at Chileno Bay. The water was clear, calm, and full of life. Everywhere you looked, there were schools of fish weaving through the coral. It felt like swimming in an aquarium. Having fun?
Having fun, yeah. Lots of fun here.
And we finished with a little kayaking. After snorkeling and kayaking, we made our way back to the marina, sunburned, salty, and totally satisfied. A lot of fish right here too. We docked and headed over to Cabo Adventures for our free cheese quesadilla. Not a full meal, but just enough to get our energy back. Red is mild?
No, green is mild.
Green was mild?
Yeah, red could be Mexican, how they're gonna grow a Mexican mustache.
Oh,
Oh my god, yeah.
it's okay. Jonathan and Andrea popped up, fresh from the dolphin swim.
Hey!
Yeah.
We just swam with the dolphins.
Oh, we just got back from swimming with the fishies and yeah.
How was it? Where
It was good. We're sitting over there.
We are here at the Cabo Adventure Center. Just got done with our aqua trio. So much fun. We did snorkeling, kayaking, and super snorkeling. Say hi, Ashton. Hi. And we get this fantastic free quesadilla with frijoles, hibiscus water.
After we finished eating, I wandered over to the aquarium windows. A couple of dolphins swam right past the glass. A calm, peaceful moment before we headed back into town. After leaving Cabo Adventures, we began our walk back towards the ship. The marina was lively, boats coming and going, vendors calling out, and the smell of grilled seafood drifting through the air. A few shops pulled us in, and we browsed through the handmade crafts, t-shirts, and small trinkets. We found a couple of souvenirs to remember the day before continuing on. With bags in hand and the afternoon heat starting to set in, we made our way back to the tender dock. After a full day of snorkeling and kayaking and exploring, we were ready to relax on the ship, especially knowing our second day in Cabo has been canceled because of the hurricane. heading back to the ship. It was a long day, it's hot, and we're tired. Nice, sounds great. Guys, thank you very much for your time in Cabo San Lucas. Well, we're back on the ship and we're about to take off. We didn't do much except for the excursion, so that took a lot of our time. And then after that we walked around a little bit and we came back to the boat because we were tired and it was hot. This is our last day at Cabo because tomorrow is going to be a hurricane here, so they're not gonna bring us back, so we're just gonna be in the sea for 2 days. Head straight to Ensenada. This will be it for this trip, so see you next time, Cabo. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.